Welcome to Amavenza to TV. It's the Toyota Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Scotland 0. I'm joined by Ulubabalo.
Tibos.
Yeah.
I call David.
Ukalan.
Yazi invite.
Yeah.
Bazokhuluma bonke.
Bazothi.
Uyabona team le?
Yeah.
Uyabona team?
Yeah.
Nalo coach esimphethayo. Simnandi.
Yeah,
Simnandi. Yes. Simnandi. Tibo, angizokhuluma kakhulu.
Izinto ezibhayi.
Yes.
Yeah.
Whether sothatha league or sothatha.
Yes.
Mari icup yokuqala.
Yeah.
Sepokotweni. La.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Bathanda bathengi.
Yeah. Whether they like it or not.
Yeah.
Then the second cup.
Yeah.
The second cup.
Yeah.
Will follow.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll follow.
Yeah.
We're not gonna say much.
Yeah.
We'll follow.
Makosi. We want Spain. Welcome to Amavenza to TV. It's the Toyota Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Scotland 0. I'm joined by Emmanuel.
Emmanuel Skimsaka.
Sure,
Akiba klubu amaka Skimsaka ke le bagania. Ke tlo supporta Chiefs e utlaka. Ntwe ke tlo shaela yone. Wa bona the same league e re fitileng go yone ba ilositseng. Ke yone fela cup e ba tlo ithola fela ya Toyota utlaka. I like to go to the bar. Sharp, my cousin.
Tibo.